Make onion bhaji. Onion bhaji is a favorite Indian dish of many. Like the American dish of onion rings, onion bhaji involves onions dipped in batter and then fried. These Indian versions have a spicy kick. Here's how to make onion bhaji. Ingredients and supplies: 2 onions, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 egg, beaten 1½ cups chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon fresh chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon garam masala, approximate 1 cup cold water, salt to taste, vegetable oil, whisk bowl large skillet or wok, spatula slotted spoon. Prepare the onions and batter. Cut the onion in half, and then slice into 1/4 thick slices. Beat together the egg and flour along with enough water to make the batter as thick as whipping cream. Then beat in the seasonings, and let the mixture rest for 15 minutes. Prepare to cook the onions. Stir onions into the batter mixture, making sure each onion piece is coated in the mixture. Let the bowl rest while you heat about an inch of oil in a pan on high heat. Do not cook the onions in oil that is not hot enough, or the finished onion bhaji will be limp and greasy. Fry the onions. When the oil is very hot, drop a small mound of onion rings into the oil. Be very careful, because the oil can splatter. Cook on one side until the batter becomes crispy and brown. Then turn and cook the other side until crisp and brown. Cook one mound at a time and remove the onion bhajis with a slotted spoon as soon as they are done cooking. Continue cooking. Keep the finished bhajis warm in an oven turned to 200 degrees until you have finished frying all of the onion mounds. Enjoy. Before serving, drain the onion bhajis on a paper towel and blot the oil. Serve warm, sprinkled with salt and with mango chutney sauce. These appetizers go well with many traditional Indian dishes. It is often eaten as a side dish with curry. Because onion bhaji is so easy to make, try doubling this recipe for a unique party appetizer. Onion bhaji makes an excellent alternative to classic American onion rings. Their unique taste is sure to please. There are many variations on this onion dish, so leave out 1 or 2 of the spices if you do not have all of them. You can make them more or less spicy by varying the amounts of each spice.